Hey YouTube, it's not safe to drive with cloudy or foggy headlights. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install brand new headlights to your car. The first step is to remove the 8mm bolts, followed by two metal brackets behind the headlight. I will then remove the headlight by first pulling on the inner side of the headlight, followed by the outer side of the headlight. Once the headlight is removed, behind you will find an external wire connection. Once the external wire connection is disconnected, you can then replace these with the new headlights. Just like the old ones, the new headlights will also have a headlight housing. I will then twist to open the headlight housing, and that will reveal the internal wire connection. I will then disconnect the internal wire connection, and that reveals the headlight and the lock ring. I will then twist to open the lock ring and then hold on to the headlight and pull it out. I will replace the old halogen headlights with brand new clear white halogen headlights. I will then place these in and push down firmly to lock it in place. I will then put the lock ring and twist that to lock it in place, followed by reconnecting the internal wire connection. Once connected, I will then place the headlight housing back in place and twist it to lock it in place, and then connect the new headlight to the external wire connection of the car. I will now remove the protective plastic covering on the headlight assembly and then fix the headlight in position by pressing on the outer side of the headlight and then the inner side of the headlight. The last thing we need to do is put back the 8mm bolt and tighten that up, as well as the metal brackets behind the headlights. And that's how you install a new headlight assembly. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, give it a like and I'll catch you guys in the next one.